Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello viewers! Today, the topic is Shadowing English Speaking Practice Episode 1. Hi everyone! Welcome to Episode 1 of our shadowing series. Today, we start with the very first step, introducing yourself. This video is simple. I will say a sentence and you must repeat it after me. This is called shadowing. Ready? Let's begin! Section 1. Basic greeting. The 3x repetition cycle. Say the word slowly. Hello. Say the word at normal speed. Hello. Say the word one more time slowly. Hello. Say the word slowly. Hi. Say the word at normal speed. Hi. Say the word one more time slowly. Hi. Say the phrase slowly. Good morning. Say the phrase at normal speed. Good morning. Say the phrase one more time slowly. Good morning. Section 2. Sharing your name. Say the sentence slowly. My name is Zara. Say the sentence at normal speed. My name is Zara. Say the sentence one more time slowly. My name is Zara. Say the sentence slowly. I am Zara. Say the sentence at normal speed. I am Zara. Say the sentence one more time slowly. I am Zara. Say the sentence slowly. What is your name? Say the sentence at normal speed. What is your name? Say the sentence one more time slowly. What is your name? Section 3. Full introduction. Say the sentence slowly. Hello. My name is Zara. Say the sentence at normal speed. Hello. My name is Zara. Say the sentence one more time slowly. Hello. My name is Zara. Say the sentence slowly. Nice to meet you. Say the sentence at normal speed. Nice to meet you. Say the sentence one more time slowly. Nice to meet you. Say the sentence slowly. My name is Zara. Nice to meet you. Say the sentence at normal speed. My name is Zara. Nice to meet you. Say the sentence one more time slowly. My name is Zara. Nice to meet you. Conclusion and homework. Excellent work! You just practiced the most important phrases for introducing yourself. Remember to shadow me. It helps your mouth get used to the sounds of English. Now, your homework. Say these 3 sentences out loud 5 times today. Hello, my name is Zara. Nice to meet you. If you like this quick practice, please like this video and subscribe to Learn with Zara. I will see you in episode 2 where we practice. Where are you from? Keep shadowing and keep learning. Bye for now. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.